Where my Capricorns at in the room? I know my Capricorns are in the room. Do we have any Capricorn Gemini moons? Or any Gemini moons? Do we have any? No, she's doing fine right now. She's just getting her rest. We got 1 centimeter to go. So by the time the doctor comes back and checks it again, she should be sliding right on out. Capricorn don't like to admit they're stubborn, but they are stubborn. They're earth sign, so yeah, you're stubborn. You're Capricorn. Oh, we got 1 Capricorn Gemini moon. Well, you are awesome, because we read that Capricorn Gemini moon. We read that, and you're dope. Aquarius with a Capricorn moon. Your Master Teacher Joy doing all the Capricorn energy in the room. You having contractions? No, I'm having contractions. That baby is ready to come. Yeah. That baby is stubborn. Oh, she been having contractions this whole time, but you cannot tell. She is sitting here like a G. Like, you cannot even tell that she's having contractions. I thought she was asleep. She was having contractions this whole time. Capricorn, yeah. No, she doesn't have no epidural. We was not about to allow to have an epidural. She's not even in pain. She doesn't even need an epidural.
So they're saying that she didn't have an epidural and that she's not even in pain. I'm not even going to respond.
The bladder was full, and that was causing. Somebody said, she from the South, she got it. You from the South, she got it. So she was at 9 centimeters at 9:30. It's 10 o'clock now. 10 o'clock. He just said, he didn't say when, but he said if you feel like you have to pot, go get him. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
How was y'all's weekend, by the way? How was y'all's week, rather? Are you watching us? She may be. They may be on another phone watching us and other people who are, streaming this live. They could very well be. I know for a fact that Nature Boy and some of his cronies come on my channel. They don't ever say anything too negative, but I do see, the Christ and several other comments from people of that ilk. I don't really find it. I don't think anything of it. I just know that there are people who are out there who support him, just like there are people who detract from him. It's all public forum, so they have the right to comment. I don't block any comments. I don't block anybody unless you're just openly attacking me. Everybody has the right to say what they want to say.
Keep it up. When I was 10 centimeters. I think the doctor said yeah, hospitals do have weird rules on filming, but I've been filming for this long, so I mean, why, you know, we've been filming the whole time. Yep, that's a fact. Those Aquariuses are very strong. They have that strong mental capacity. You know, I think it'll probably only take another like 30 minutes to an hour for her to open up another centimeter from what been happening. She every hour or two she'll open a centimeter. So she been opening really good.
And I just thought about this, family. Isn't every birth kind of like a lotus birth? Right? Isn't every birth kind of, not necessarily natural? But when you think about it, what a woman is she's literally a flower. A man comes in, we're all flowers. A man comes in, germinates the flower. The flower then becomes pollinated and germinated. And if you let that flower alone for a long enough time, it becomes a fruit. And some flowers don't produce fruits, they produce pods and other seeds, which grow life. I mean, so if you think about it, that, we're all flowers in that sense. Oh, what happened? Nothing actually happened. When I come back to the live chat, excuse me, drinking a Coca-Cola this morning for my caffeine. Don't have any coffee. When I jump out of the live and into the live chat, it freezes the Instagram. So I just have to jump back and forth. No big deal. I'll jump right back to Instagram now.
Is that there's persistence and determination. Slow and steady gets the job done. Yeah, but we know for sure it's a girl. We did the ultrasound 2 days ago. Nope. Yep, I already start blocking people. So they gonna get that thank you. Yep, so we having a girl.
We're having a girl. I thought she was back with Tron. What's up with you and Tron, baby?
Nope, we have not eaten yet. But that's not even nothing to worry about. We trying to get the baby out. Baby safe. She's on the cusp. Okay, Joy, is it still Gemini moon today? Is it still the same chart?
And if you want me to read off your comment, just make sure that you type it in there more than twice. More than once, or let TG know in the comment, because like I said, I flip back and forth from the live chat to the Instagram. So if you're in the live chat and you want to leave a comment that you want to be read aloud, make sure to let TG know, the moderators know in the chat. If you want to become a moderator, let TG know.
Donate, don't hate. We're at 23 degrees for the moon right now. okay. 23 degrees, Capricorn Sun, 21 degrees, Gemini Moon. That's facts. She's 9 centimeters dilated. Should be coming on 10 now. She should be 10, like, pretty soon. Like, if not now, if she's not 10 centimeters now, she's going to be 10 centimeters within, like, 30 minutes. I guarantee. And by 30 minutes, she'll be 10 centimeters, ready to push the baby out. She's getting some rest. Yeah, she's gonna get plenty of rest after her delivery. That's a fact.
That baby's heartbeat done got strong as shit. Maybe he's in distress or something. I don't know. Let's go back to these comments for a minute. Let's see what they're saying in the comments. I got blocked, so I can't go live for 90 days, Candy Pretty Face says. Wow, sorry to hear that, Candy.